Did you know that thousands of expats in Germany, like you, are overpaying their taxes without even realizing it? But here's the secret. The Unterhaltserklärung, that means maintenance deduction cost, could save you thousands of euros in taxes. And most people in Germany don't even have an idea that this exists. But in this video, I'll show you guys how you can use this legally to reduce your taxes in Germany. So stay with me, guys, because missing out on this could mean that it could cost you up to 3,000 euros yearly on taxes, which you could have saved in taxes as an expat in Germany. Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek. Welcome to my channel, and I've been living as an expat in Germany since 12 years. I was a master's student like you guys, bachelor's or master's. I came as a student, completed my master's, and after that I got a job and I've been working since 10 years. And I have several businesses in Germany. So I have quite a bit of idea how the German bureaucracy and other systems are working in Germany. So that's why I thought, okay, let me share with you guys my knowledge and my expertise as an expat. I make a lot of videos on this channel about lifestyle in Germany, vlogs, fun videos, and some informative videos as well. And this video is going to be one of them. I'm going to make this video in English because I had a request on my previous real estate videos in Germany to make a video in English about taxes. And if you guys don't understand English, then do leave a comment in the comment section down below and I'll answer you in Hindi, or I'll make another video in Hindi if you guys would ask me to. So first thing first, let's talk about how to save taxes in Germany as an expat. So there are a lot of tax loopholes which you could use in Germany as an expat, and I would not cover all of those in this video, but I will be covering one of the most important Germany tax saving tips which many of us are actually doing but not using. So that means when you are an earner in Germany, when you are paying taxes in Germany and you are supporting your family in India or Pakistan or from wherever you are, then you can actually claim this money to save your taxes in Germany, which in German is called as Unterhaltserklärung. Means simply maintenance cost. And you can claim this in your Steuererklärung or your tax declaration as Unterhaltserklärung. Now in this video, we will discuss how to claim Unterhaltserklärung and who are eligible in this and what is the maximum amount which you can use for your tax benefits. So the first step is tracking. So whatever money you're sending to your home, to your parents for the maintenance, the first important thing is that that should be going not into your account, not into your NRE or NRO account, but to the account of the person who you are helping. So that means if you're sending the money to your mom, to your father, to anyone, your grandparents, whoever, the account holder name should be theirs in the statement. And that brings us to the second prerequisite. The second condition is the statement. You'll be asked to show this statement of all the transactions which you have done. So I will just show you an example what exactly I mean by that. So I personally use TransferWise to send money to India to my mother, and you can see that this is what a statement could look like. You can easily get this from TransferWise or any other broker which you're using to send the money to your home. So it should look something like this. So you can see that these are the transactions. So in December 2024, 350 euros, then in November 350 euros, then in August 120 euros, and so on and so forth. It doesn't have to be a fixed amount, it could be a variable amount. But there are two really important things which you should consider. First of all, as you can see, the account holder is my mom and my father. That is the first important thing. It should not be your name on that. And the second important thing is Unterstützung, mom. That means the reference is about maintenance costs. So this should be the reference. This should be the subject of the transaction. This is really important when you are doing a transaction. So this gives an idea to the Finanzamt that this particular amount, first of all, was sent to the account holder who needs to be taken care of, and it's not your name on the account. And second, the subject. The subject is quite important, which is also called as Verwendungszweck in German. If you are doing any transactions in Germany, they always ask for this Verwendungszweck, which means a reference or a subject ID. So this is really important when you're doing a transaction. So put Unterstützung mother, Unterstützung family, parents, whatever. And if the reference, let's say the letters are not enough, so in TransferWise Otherwise, it doesn't allow me to write for more than 20 alphabets or 25 characters. That's why I have just put Unterstützung mom. Yeah, mother, it doesn't allow me to write THER 3 more characters, so the space is limited. So you could use just Unterstützung, yeah, mom or dad or something like that if you're using TransferWise. So this is a really important thing. Without this, it's not going to work. So this is the first important thing. Again, just to summarize, the transactions, the list of transactions, the account holder's name should be your parents or whoever person who you are supporting. Third, the reference ID or the reference or the subject of the transaction. Okay, that was the first thing. Now, second thing, when this is done for you, second important thing is whenever you are doing your tax declaration as an expat in Germany, yeah, to save your taxes in Germany, which you should do, even if you don't have any other major expenses. And if you're just working as an expat in Germany, still, I would recommend you to do your tax declarations, even though you are legally paying taxes. Doesn't matter in which tax class you are, tax class 1. If you're in tax class 1, then I definitely encourage you to do that because that's the highest deductible bracket in Germany, which the highest amount of taxes you are paying when you're in tax class 1. That means as a single person, then I really recommend you could save up to 1,500 euros easily. Yeah. If you would like me to make a video on that, then do let me know in the comment section and I will try to make a separate video on how to save further taxes in Germany as an expat. Okay. So that was the first step. Now the second step. Second step is that you have to fill a maintenance declaration form. The form is quite simple and I will go quickly through each of the columns. And if you want a detailed video on that, then again, use the comment section and I will make a detailed video on that as well. So let's go through the form. So here's a form. So you can see maintenance declaration for calendar year. If you are declaring for 2024, then you could put 2024 or Unterhaltserklärung für das Kalenderjahr 2024 or whatever. So name, first name, surname, resident in Germany, that would be yours. And then the supported person. So like I said, the supported person is quite important here. And that is the name on the account should be. Yeah. So if you're supporting your mother, then the account holder, the bank account holder should be your mother, not your NRE or NRO account. That would be really impossible to track because if your nominee for that account is your mother or father, then you have to show further transactions that she took out the money. If she's taking out from ATM, then it's impossible. Yeah, anyone could take out from the ATM. Then you would have to transfer from your NRE to her account and show those transactions, and it's more complicated. So it's better to directly transfer to the account holder who you are going to support. So then it's her details, yeah, everything. And then this is quite important. So on the first page, you will need a stamp, an official stamp from a gazetted officer in India. That means the officer has read the full form and whatever information is in that form, it is correct. That is the stamp for. And what is this information which needs to be confirmed by an official government officer is these following things. That means the income of your parent or whoever you are supporting, how much they're earning, and expenditure. So how much they're earning and how much they are spending. And that's the reason why you want to support them. Yeah. How much of assets they have. Assets means if they have a home or land or whatever, and also some bank balance, whatever they have, you have to state everything there because German Finanzamt needs to know that if it's enough for them to self-support, yeah, or you really need to support them. So that's why this information is quite important. And then other details like how many family members are living, if they are also supporting or not, how much the other family members are earning, and if they are supporting or not, and so on and so forth. And in the end, the declaration and the signature of your parents or whoever has filled up the form. So this was the second important thing which you definitely need, this maintenance declaration form or Unterhaltserklärung form, which you would need to send it to your parents and they can fill up, or you can fill that up as well. Doesn't matter if your parents don't understand English, then you could also help them via call or whatever, or you can simply fill up this form and send them there and get that form signed and stamped by an official government officer and then get it back. And of course, your parents need to sign that as well. Yeah. So that is the form which you would need. Now, the third important thing, which is actually not legal stuff, but that's a tip from a Finanzberater or a Steuerberater. So I have a Finanzberater or a tax consultant who informed me this like years ago, that when you're sending this money, the most important month to send this money is January. Yes, January of every year, you need to make your first transaction. Now, you could either send the money for the whole year in January, or you could, if you are sending this monthly, then January is the most important month. If you miss January, then that amount for your tax declaration reduces. That's a tax law. So January, please note that January is the most important month. If you have collected all the money, send it in January. Even then, the whole year you don't send, that doesn't matter. But January is the most important month to send the money. Note this point. It's gonna help you really. Now, like I said, we will cover who is eligible for this tax exemption are everyone who are earning a certain amount of money. And now the last point, how much money you could actually save from this. So just an example, if you're earning around 15,340 euros or something, then only 5% of that, which exceeds this amount, would be deductible. So just to make it simple, 5% of 15,340 euros would be 767 euros. Now, if you send around 1,000 euros for the whole year, okay, for the whole year to your parents or to whomever you are supporting, then that means you can only deduct the remaining 233 euros for your taxes. So 5% of 15,340 euros was 767. And now if you send 1,000 euros, so 1,000 minus 767 means 233 euros. And this 233 euros is the amount which you can use to make your taxes less in Germany. Okay. Now this 5% is of course varying. If you're earning between 15 to 51,000 euros, then it's 6%. And if it's more than 51,000 euros, then it's 7%, and so on and so forth. So this amount of deductible tax increases when you're also earning more. So guys, this was one of the best tax hacks in Germany for foreigners or expats. And I hope you guys liked this video and found this video quite informative. And if you did, then please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And do let me know that are you using this tax hack as Unterhaltserklärung in your taxes? Well, I'll see you in the comment section. And for those who are planning to come to Germany and are not sure about the German economy, because German economy plays a major role, especially for those who would like to come on an opportunity card. And I've made a detailed video because that's really important, especially for expats who are planning to come to Germany or are already in Germany. And you could see me there in either of these videos, because those videos are quite important, especially when you're planning to either come to Germany or are already in Germany. So I'll see you there, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. And if you have any more questions about Germany, then do let me know. And I'll make some more fun videos as well coming soon. Ciao.